Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like going to crowded places?
No, I dislike visiting crowded places. I find them overwhelming and stressful, and I dislike being in large groups. I prefer more open and sparsely populated areas.
Question number 2. What places do you think are often crowded? Question number 3. How do you feel when you are in a crowded place?
When I am in a crowded place, I usually feel overwhelmed and anxious. It can be difficult to navigate large crowds, and the noise and energy can be overwhelming. Additionally, I don't like how the crowd makes me feel crowded and pushed around.
Question number 4. Do people like to go to crowded places? Why?
Some people enjoy going to crowded places. Being in a large group of people and having a common experience can be exciting. It's also a great way to meet new people and connect with others.
Question number 5. When was the last time you were in a crowded place?
I was last in a crowded place at a concert last summer. It was amazing to be in such a crowded area with so many people who were all there to enjoy the same music. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.